Hello everyone. So today welcome to the live DIY session, and today we will design another circuit. So our today's circuit is the smart water tap. So you might have seen lots of circuit out there in the market with smart water tap having the using the ultrasonic sensor or IR sensors. But those all those designs based on the based on the IR sensors and ultrasonic sensor didn't work very well. Why? Because IR sensor didn't work in the sunlight. Like if you put a smart water tap type of things, or smart water tap where there is large availability of the sunlight, then it creates problem because sunlight have the IR light, and the IR sensor got fail in such as it can't detect whether you have put the hand or not. So we often we often use this kind of water tap in the hotel rooms or in the public places so that we can conserve the water, because many people forget to turn off the tap. So a smart water tap, what the smart water tap will do, it will automatically turn on and off. So today we'll make a different design that is out there in the market, that is more advanced and more more reliable. So let me show you one demo of the device, and then we will keep uh, then we have a quick look on the circuit of the device, and we will start. So first let's show me my demo of the device. So here is the smart water tap circuit that I have already made. So this is the microwave sensor, this is the relay, and the valve for the smart water tap. So as you can see, the relay light is right now turned on. So when I put the hand near the sensor, the microwave sensor detect my hand and it will automatically turn off the water tap. So I'm going here. See, it's turned off. Now it will turn on automatically. The light will glow automatically. So whenever I put the hand, the smart water tap automatically turns on, and when I move my hand, a smart water tap turns off, and this LED indicate that this is a relay board, and that this relay board turns this water tap valve according to the detection of the hand. So you might now see now you might not able to see the LED light clearly here. So I am going to turn on the light a little bit, and then I will show you. Then you can see it clearly, the LED light. Alexa, turn the bedroom light magenta. Okay. So now you can see the LED clearly. So when I move the hand near this this microwave sensor, it automatically turns on the water tap, and the LED will go off. That means the water tap is turned on. So when I move the hand like this, just see, and when I move my hand again, it will see. So this is how the smart water tap work. So whenever I put the hand, the water tap will automatically turns on, and when I move my hand out, the water tap automatically turns off like this. So this is how the smart water tap work, and this kind of tap, this kind of design you can also use in the a smart light for the power conservation, or a smart water tap for the for the water conservation. So you can use the same circuit and attach the same thing, and in place of attaching this light bulb, you can attach a light, your room light or any kind of fan light. So whenever you enter in the room, the microwave radar detect you, and it automatically turns on the room light. And when you are not there, automatically turns off the room light. The same circuit will work for the street light as well. When you enter in the room, the smart light will turn whenever any vehicle came near the near the light or the pole in the night, it will detect that vehicle and automatically turns the street light on, and otherwise it turns off. So we can save lots of power using this circuit. And lately these circuits are not very reliable because of those IR sensors and PIR motion sensors, or ultrasonic sensor, because this sensor didn't work very well, where the PIR sensor and the IR sensor didn't work in the sunlight. So we can't implement those things in the street light, or in the sunlight area. We can't implement those circuits, and the ultrasonic sensor have its own drawbacks as well. So we came up with a wonderful solution with using the microwave radar. So now let's look at the circuit. So So this is a circuit of the smart water tap. So here what we have done. Let me turn the light of the. Let me turn the light on of the circuit here. Alexa, turn the bedroom light white. Okay. Okay. So this is the circuit. So as you can see in the circuit, as you can see in the circuit, we need a microwave sensor. There are different microwave sensors out there in the market. One is the RCW 0516. Another is HB100. HB100 microwave radar is a Doppler radar, using which you can also detect the human speed, like by how much speed someone is coming in front of the sensor, or it can detect within a Doppler effect. Another sensor is RCW05. So here we need not to detect the speed of the human being. Here we only need to detect the presence of the human being near the tap or in the room. So we use the RCW0516. So the another thing is we need is the relay module. This relay module helps us in taking the input and driving the high power devices like the Sinusoid valve, or you can say the room lights, like that. So here we are designing our smart tap. So we also need a valve for tap. This is the valve. So let me tell you the valve. Let me just turn off the circuit. I have already demonstrated the circuit. So let me just turn it off. Let me just turn it off the circuit. I will show you all the demonstration and how it's going to connect it. Let's open it up. I've already shown you the demo. So let's. So this is the RCWL sensor. This is the RCWL sensor that you can see, and you can use this sensor for sensing the human being using the microwave effect. So and this sensor is far way better than the IR sensor or PIR sensor, or the ultrasonic sensor, or any kind of other motion sensor, because it is more reliable. IR sensor appears in the sunlight. The PIR sensor also appears in the sunlight or with the high availability of light, and the other sensor like ultrasonic sensor also appear to the some extent, but this sensor is very reliable. So we are going to use these sensors. This is the microwave sensor, and then the other device that we need is the valve and the pipe and the hose. So this hose goes to the inlet of your this hose goes to the inlet of your the water tap pipe, and this goes to the outlet of the water tap pipe. And this is a solenoid one. So when you open the solenoid one, it is solenoid with a plunger. So whenever you energize the solenoid, the plunger inside this valve will goes up, and it will automatically open, and the water can flow through it, and so the water tap will automatically turns on. So then so to drive this this solenoid one, you need something driver, like, because this is 24 volt and this RCW gives a high volt output, so you can't drive directly from the can't drive this solenoid one directly from the output of this thing. So you need a mediator device that will turn on a switching device. So here the relay module works as a switching device. So this relay module can take the input and turns this relay plunger on and off according to the input given to this. So this relay module gets the signal from this RCWL sensor, and this RCWL sensor when detects the human being, it gives the input, and the relay plunger will turn to normally open or normally close according to the sensing of the of this. And whatever the device connected to this relay module will turn on and off. So if you want to make the same circuit for the a smart home light, where it detects the human being automatically turns off, or a smart light like that. So let's go to the circuit again. So we use this relay device for our system and our circuit. So use the same relay to switch on or off the based on this microwave sensor input, or you can use the same relay module for turning on or off the valve in your room. So this is the circuit here. I am showing the circuit. So the RCWL sense the human hand whenever we want to wash our hand near the water tap, or we want to fetch the water from the water tap. When we go near that, it will automatically turns on, because this RCW sensed that, and this RCW the sensed signal is given output using the output pin. So this relay module have three pins. One is the ground. Another this module has three pins. One is the ground. Another is that is these two pins are for powering this sensor module, and other is the output pin. And this is also a 3-volt output pin. So if you have logic level, so you are using microcontroller or any other MCU board that has the logic level 3 volt of logic level, then you can use this output pin. Otherwise you can this output pin. So it's depend on the logic level. If this same relay circuit takes the logic level of 3 as a high, or not 5 as a high, then we can use the 3 volt this pin as well. But this relay module works with a 5 volt logic as a high. So we will use this pin. So we will use this pin. So this is and then we will connect this thing to the relay module. The relay module have also the 3 inputs. The single channel relay module have these 3 inputs. One is the ground and VCC. So ground goes to the ground and VCC go to the 5 volt. So this go to ground. This go to 5 volt power supplies, and the same wire goes to the the MCU module and other things. And this is the input pin. So this is the input pin. The relay module input pin goes to the output of the relay module, and this is the relay output pin. This relay output pin have 3 wires. One is normally open, another is normally closed. Hope the audio is better now. So if you are able to listen my audio clearly, so you can give me message. My audio is clear now. So this is how we connect the circuit. So now let's connect out the circuit first. So here first we connect the RCWL ground the ground pin. This is the ground. This is the ground pin. The ground pin to the ground pin of the power supply. So this is the ground pin, and this is the the positive pin. This is the positive pin, and this is the negative pin. Sorry, this is the output pin. This is the output pin. So this is the output pin. So first we power this thing. So we connect the ground pin to the ground pin of the power supply. This is the power supply. This is the positive volt, and this is the negative. The white wire is negative. So this is the ground. We connect ground to the negative one, and then the positive to the positive one. This is positive now. Yeah, this is positive to the positive one. So this we have now powered this, and this is the output pin. This output pin of this sensor goes to the output to the input pin of the relay module. So this is the relay module. We keep the input pin of any of the relay. So this is how we connect it, the relay. Now it get connected. So now let's power the relay as well. VCC pin goes to the VCC. This is the positive pin, and the ground pin goes to the ground. This is the ground pin. Hope everything is connected correctly. So this is how we connect, and this valve 24 volt or 12 volt, you will get two kind of valve, or there are other different 5 volt valve which also there in the market. So it depends on the valve what you have bought. So this valve positive pin, one pin, the positive pin goes to the normally close or normally close. Sorry, normally open, and the 12 volt input pin goes to the common pin of the relay module, and the negative pin of this valve goes to the negative pin of the of uh, uh, of the 24 volt power supply. So now a smart water tap is ready. So whenever I put the hand near this sensor, this will automatically turns on and off, as I have told you earlier. So you can use the same circuit for the smart water supply also, for the smart room lighting also. So when I put the see, the relay light will turn up, so indicating that the valve is on. Now I have removed the hand, it will automatically relay light will glow, indicating that water is off. So this is how you can make a smart water tap easily, using and this is more reliable than IR sensor and PIR sensor and other sensor out there in the market, because it is based on microwave radar. So thank you everyone. So this is for the today's circuit. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can use the same circuit for the light as well, and this sensor is better than the PIR sensor or IR sensor. So you can use any kind of microwave radar to improve the circuit more reliability. Everyone. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. If you have any doubt, you can ask me right now. So this project is very small. You need very few component. One is RCWR microwave radar, other is relay module, another is solenoid one. And you can connect your valve in your area like this, in your washroom like this. So the inlet goes to the outlet of your the water pipe, and this outlet goes to the sink pipe like this. And so whenever you put the sensor near the tap, you put the sensor near the tap like this. You put the sensor near the tap. So whenever you bring your hand near the tap will automatically turns on and off according to the sensing. So this is how it works. It's a very small sensor, and the same circuit can be used to turn off the home light or street light, any other kind of project as well. That where you need to sense things. The same circuit can be also be used as a introducer alarm. Like whenever someone enter the room, the alarm will automatically trigger. The same sensor can be the same circuit. Everything will be same for that. You just need to swap the component on the output of the relay module. Otherwise, all the things will be same. So, any more question you can ask me? Hope you have no doubt, no questions. So, thank you. Thanks all.